everyone, Joe the Truck Stop Card Shop, and guess what? My shipment of War of the Spark came in, which means it's time for a whole bunch of videos of War of the Spark, and every once in a while I'll throw in some other videos and some other content and some Pokemon, and I got some Crimson Horizon, I don't know. I got some Pokemon thing and I made a video, so if you're into that, watch that one. Otherwise, if you're into Magic, watch this one. And I'm going to... when I'm in arena and people are playing me, Liliana gets to me, so I'm just going to slice right there and kill Liliana right there. That's what I'm doing. And for the War of the Spark, I'm going to be a little different. I take too long in my videos, and people have told me that they're too long. So that's why I was doing them in 4 parts, but now I'm going to do them. I'm going to do 1/3 of the box at a time. Yeah, or I could go super fast. I don't know. I'll see.
Try that. Try super fast.
Well, my wife wants me to try to see if I can go super fast, so I'm going to try to go through this whole box in under 10 minutes. I don't think it's going to be possible. I'm not Rudy.
Come on.
All right, Ravnica at war, and then we got Swamp and a token.
You guys talk faster. It'll help. Like one of those.
I'm not an auctioneer.
Thank you. That's what I was thinking of. Try. It'd be funny.
And here we got a bunch of commons, and we're going to throw all those commons on a pile, and we're going to put the uncommons here over here, and a uncommon, and single combat is my rare with a forest and a token. I'm going to put those in reverse order because that'll make it easier for me to plop them down.
Next one.
I'm going.
Maybe if they were all pre-cut.
No, I don't want to do that. Then people think that if I get something really good, then they'll start thinking that I fixed it to make my stuff look better.
Really?
Yeah. Final Revelation and a Plains and a token. Finale of Revelation, sorry, not final. I can't read. Alright, we got some cool stuff coming in. We're gonna keep opening these packs. We're gonna get, oh, is that the uncommons right there? 3 uncommons and Finale of Promise. Nice, another mythic. The what?
Never mind.
Alright, we got anything cool? So how's everybody doing out there? I'm trying to do this, and I can't do my regular repartee because I can't think. Awakening of Vitsugazi. That's my rare.
So that's how you do it. You just pick the commons.
Yeah. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's not as much. Well, the commons I don't care about. I'm gonna skip those, but the uncommons I usually like to talk about because there's some pretty decent ones. Narset's Reversal.
Narset's Reversal.
Mm-hmm. If you want to grab any of these, you go right ahead. I don't care. You have a beautiful hand, so it wouldn't matter if it's in the video.
I'm just reading it.
And then we got Finale of Glory, and our first foil is Crush Descent. Okay, what do we got here? 3 uncommons and Massacre Girl. Finale of Glory looks like they are just psyched out. Everything is going good. Crush Descent does not look like that. He does not look like he's having a very good time. And Casualties of War. I love that card. That's just choose 1 or more. It's got a high casting cost, but it's still pretty cool. All right. Well, after this box, I'm gonna try to get this. It's not gonna happen.
You gotta go faster.
I am going as fast as I can.
We will practice going faster.
Bioessence Hydra. And what else we got? All right, we got... That one looks cool. I like your little double pitchfork. And Plain Wide Celebration. And we are at 5 minutes for a third of the
Yay!
box. It's
Go,
gonna, it's
go, go!
gonna be a 15-minute video. No one's gonna
Well,
watch
then
that.
you gotta move. End it here, and then we'll try again with the next one.
No, I'm gonna try to keep going. This will be one long one. Living Twister.
But didn't you learn?
What?
You should listen to your viewers.
Yeah. I don't care. It's still
Doesn't
it's
listen to me either.
it's still a new it's still a new set.
You're just too excited.
I'm so excited and I just
Why are
can't.
the backs different?
For what? That's for the token.
Oh.
Then we got Jace, Wielder of Mysteries for our rare. It's still weird seeing planeswalkers like Jace and Karn and all of them in the rare slot and not in the mythic slot. And then we got Mizium Tank. Oh, nice. We got a foil island, a foil forest. So we've got a common foil and a land foil, and that's it so far. And we got Mobilized District. And I like that island picture. That's cool. Remember, honey, I'm saving the pack thing.
Yeah, that's why they're in a pile.
Oh, okay.
Don't turn into me.
What?
You don't need to have a little story about all the lands.
No, I like talking like that.
Yeah, but it bothers the Carlin when I do
I don't
that.
care. Then we got Nisa, who shakes the world. Nice rare. We've gotten 3 mythics so far. No foil rare, no foil mythic. So far it's not looking out to be the best box I've ever seen. Krenko. You can always use another Krenko. My wife is obsessed with making sure it's all cleaned up.
I'm just trying to make it easier for you so you can go faster.
Oh, thank you, honey. We got Oath of Kaya for our rare. And right on to the next pack. I think I might get in under 15. That's my
Go, go,
goal.
go, go, go.
Mobilized District and Sahili for our foil uncommon. I like that Sahili card.
Where are the mystics?
The mythics.
That is what I said. I said mystics.
These ones right there with the red. No. And Talismer, Friend of Wolves, Friend to Wolves. That's our rare. And next pack. I can do this. I know I can. I can be super fast. Super cat speed, as my son would say.
Yeah.
Karn's Bastion, that's a good one. And Divine Arrow, common foil. And we got Bond of Passion. That's right, I'm not doing the uncommons. The Elder Spell.
The old spell.
And that's the one that's going to end the War of the Spark.
What's the next one going to be called?
Modern Horizons. Sarkhan the Masterless. That's our rare. Now we are 2/3 of the way through the box. We got Finale of Devastation, so that's our 4th mythic. And right on to the last stack of packs.
Go!
I like that one, but okay. Silent submersibles are rare.
That's the one that I thought was a fish.
Oh yeah, it's a vehicle, yeah. Alright, we got Karn, the Great Creator, is our rare. It's gonna be weird seeing some of these like rare and uncommon planeswalkers that are gonna be worth money and some are gonna be worth almost nothing. Vivian, Champion of the Wilds. Oh, here's Ugin the Infallible. That's our foil rare. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to hurry up, but still, that's really pretty.
Do they all have foils in them?
Every pack, no. It's rare to get one. You can say it's a good box if you get, like 4 or 5 per box. And then we got Enter the God Eternals. Gideon Blackblade, that's a good one. Then we got a foil Pollen Bright Druid, that's a good one. Well, at least it's a decent one to play with.
I like that one.
It's pretty, huh?
Are you gonna sell it?
If you want it, honey.
What is it?
Just
Oh, it's green.
yeah.
I don't have a green deck.
You have a blue deck. You can change it though if you want to.
No.
Dreadhorde Butcher, that's my rare. Oh, Gideon wasn't. Oh, it was mythic. I messed that up. All right. Throwing stuff in the wrong pile. All 3 of my viewers are getting anxious. Putting stuff in the wrong pile, man. It's anarchy, craziness.
Craziness makes life interesting.
Spark Double, yes it does. And we got our zombie army. Down to the last, what is it, 4 or 5 packs? I can't count that high. I'd have to take off my shoes and count on my toes.
Honey.
Alright. Then we got Raw Storm Conduit. My piles are just all crazy. Super, super crazy.
Well, you're in a hurry.
Yeah, I think I might make it under 15 minutes for the whole box.
What's your time at?
Right now I'm at almost 13 minutes.
Go, 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 go!
Ugin the Ineffable.
You need to, like, speed up your cutting.
I-
That is a weird sentence.
We got Damari as a regular rare, and then we got Casualties of War as a foil rare. So we got 2 foil rares in this box. That's pretty good. That's not normal. It doesn't happen very often. No foil mythic though. I think we've pretty much figured out that that's just not going to happen. No foil mythic. We got another mythic though. Finale of Eternity. Let me get this last pack. See how many mythics I got in this box, because that seems like an awful lot again.
Do they give the artist credit on these cards?
Yeah, they're all written on the bottom.
Cool.
And they buy their art from them.
Ooh.
They make like $30,000 or something like that per print.
What?
Tameo, Collector of Tales. And Bloomhulk foil. Now let's count these mythics real quick, see what I got. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mythics. That's pretty good for a box. I think I got 6 mythics in or maybe 5 in my first World of Spark box. But I'm at 14 minutes and 18 seconds. That was a lot of work, and I'm splitting the rest of the videos because I don't want to do this long. Anyway, Joe at Truck Stop Card Shop. Watch my next video. It won't be this long.